What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and yet again we are checking in from SeaWorld Orlando for another penguin track construction update, and we're hearing that 2 trains are going to be testing, possibly even a third. Yeah, buddy, that means we're going to see a lot of runs. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go. Much better weather than the last time I was here. Self-service ticketing kiosk over there. I'm not even going to bother with them. I'm not even going to try. Ticket windows, not busy. And parking was a breeze, and there's nobody at the front entrance. We'll be right in. Yep, like usual, no way to get through, and we are on our way. Pipeline over there, and it has not had its second train in a while, and I saw that it was on the track, so they're doing some testing. Don't know if it's been open. Hot day today, not as humid, somewhere in the 90s, but we've had some storms the last couple days. Today, not the case. Manta over here. That means we got pink chickens. Unfortunately, no coaster buns that I can see right now. Maybe they'll be out later. And here we are. We're in the Antarctica area of the park. Sea Lion and Otter Stadium. And good news, the accessibility ramp is open. Well, hearing the ride alarm. Well, good news, ladies and gentlemen. Second train is now on. This one right here has no water dummies on it. So one does, one does not. Alrighty guys, so since they added the second train, they have really ramped up the testing intervals. And literally we've seen 20 runs in the span of just a couple minutes. I mean, literally as soon as one train is hitting the brakes, another one is launching within 30 seconds of that. dispatch this while the other one is on the brake run. That's how, again, quickly they are launching this train.
Once you're finished feeding the seals or sea lions, you are going to come over here to the right hand side. There is a hand washing station where you can clean your hands. Okay, so like I said, keep those fish covered.
Yep, there it goes. So we just saw both trains at the same time.
Okay.
Right now we're doing block checks. So they're making sure the train stops where it needs to on the brake run if the other train doesn't advance. Transfer table is sliding over, so we're either going to be removing a train or adding another one. Well, after watching the last couple runs, I can definitively say that we are running 3 trains. I saw the marking on the back of the train, number 3, 2, and 1, so good stuff. And there's proof right there, train 3, car 9. Train 2. Well, hello, train 3. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the course. More good news. Security cameras have been installed over here on the outside of the building. Something else to note is that testing has been starting a lot earlier in the morning. We're talking like 8 a.m. sometimes, 9 a.m. sometimes. And well, that can only mean one thing. Major work inside the show building seems like it's been wrapped up. And well, there goes the alarm again. But that means the contractors are out. So that allows them to do testing much earlier throughout the day. That's good news for us, especially if they're trying to do the 3 train testing and they need hundreds of runs. Send them, baby. So many trains flying by.
JJ.
Like they are putting that train away. So it's going backwards into the maintenance barn. And for those of you that were wondering where is the maintenance barn, well, here's where it comes into the station area. And this building right there, that's the maintenance barn. Holds 3 pieces of track in there too for storage. Just heard them turn off power to the ride. And I think we are done testing for the day. What an amazing day it was. Saw over 100 test runs. No, I didn't film all of them. You're just gonna have to take my word. You would have gotten bored after a while. But yes, indeed saw over 100 runs with all 3 trains. Impressive. It's good stuff. It's all looking good. So if we want an opening, well, this has gotta happen. Decided to stick around for just a little bit longer, and I just heard the ride audio spiel. So that's apparently working now also. Baby sea pupper is very sleepy.
If their water are smaller and they have a little bit of water, when they're moving around out the water, it's really very clear which one is which. Now one of my favourite words is that is actually called the muffin, which I think.
Aha! I have indeed spotted a coaster bun. Now if the pink chickens can leave them alone, awesome. Hello there. How are you? Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Penguin Trek construction. An exciting day, as we said earlier. Well over 100 test runs have been completed today, and they've done over 200 in the last 2 days. Crazy. And that's good if we're actually wanting an opening date sometime soon, which we're thinking is going to get announced sometime in the next week or 2. They've got to. I mean, come on guys, we're almost in July. But we'll let you know if that does happen. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.